Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have Eayon hair. I haven't posted a hair video in a while, but I wanted to show you guys this one. This is one of my favorite curly hairs. I got it in a shorter length because I wanted to cut it in a bob, so I decided to get it. It is a 13 by 6, so you can see the parting area. I did over bleach the knots, so that was a little bit of a mess on my part. I'm just going to cut off the ear tabs. Keep in mind, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys me cutting the hair even shorter and doing a moisture type routine, and also using this gel to give it a wet look. So I'm gonna play some music and you guys can just watch this video. As I said, this is one of my favorite wigs, so I will link the longer version to this wig down below, the longer version video down below, and I'm also gonna have the links to this wig in the description box, so make sure you guys check it out. Right here I'm gonna be cutting off the lace. And once you have the lace cut off, you can see how transparent it is. This is more of like a HD lace type of thing, but I'm gonna have all the links to this wig down below. I'm gonna be doing the edges using some Got2b gel, so I'm just going to take the edges part out and then trim it down. Okay, so right here, all I'm doing is pulling the hair out. Because I over bleached the knots, the hair is really fragile, so just pulling it softly is taking out some of the hair. You can use tweezers, but I'm just doing this. So if you decide to try out this method, I recommend that you take your time. I'm going to be trimming down the hair, not too short, but short enough to where it will be able to swoop properly. So take your time while doing this. Don't do it too short because you're not gonna like it. I'm using the Got2b like I told you before. I'm putting it at the root. I'm gonna use my edges brush, the brush side, and I'm going to swoop it, controlling it using my finger. You want to make sure that you use your finger because your finger is going to pick up some of that product, making it dry out, which is going to allow it to mold the way that you want it to. Please take your time while doing this because I feel like edges is the make or break that can make your wig look really fake or really natural. So just take your time while doing this, and I promise you, once you master this technique, you're going to love your installs. I'm going to put my hair up, the wig up in a ponytail while I use this elastic band to give it some tension. This elastic band will dry out any other oils and dry the product down to where it can stick. I left it on for 5 minutes and this is how it looks. I did not have my blow dryer, so I'm sitting in front of the fan, and yeah. The video is probably all over the place, but all I did was wet the hair. I'm gonna go ahead and put some leave-in conditioner. I felt like I was not satisfied with the wig video that I did previously. Well, actually I did a video just installing this wig like in the start. I have had this wig for a while. This is Eayon hair, so I just want to put it back on. I want to do a wet look. I just went to the store and I got this Claire Pro Styling Gel Extra Hold, so I want to use this to do like a sleek style. I hope the fan is not bothering you. So yeah, and I do have my mousse, my Got2b, and this spray. So this is how the wig looks. I did go ahead and cut this wig shorter, so you guys are gonna see the first video I've ever did with this wig. I did not post it or nothing like that, so I'm gonna include it in this one. I will have the links to this wig down below. I do have a longer version to this wig, but I felt like I wanted a shorter version because I wanted to cut it short. I'm just gonna leave it on my head like this. I'm not gonna install it properly or nothing. I'm just gonna leave it like a glueless look, and I'm gonna do the edges right here. Okay, so I want to style it, but I have to go in the bathroom and wet it first. So I'm gonna just show you how I do the edges. I don't even have a freaking mirror. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna use some mousse to lay down my edges. For some odd reason, I actually really hate the smell of this mousse. Comment down below and tell me if you hate the smell of Lotta Body mousse. I don't know, I feel like it just smells weird. Like it gives me a headache. Okay, and then after I do that, I just use some Got2b gel, and I go on top of it with the Got2b gel. Okay, so now that the edges are to my liking, I feel like this side is a little bit too thick. Okay. Okay, so it's like this. I'm gonna go ahead and wet the wig and comb it out, and then I'm gonna come back so I can put the moisture into it. Okay, I'm just detangling the hair before I go ahead and... The hair is pretty soft, so it doesn't give you too much problems. Clearly, this is one of my favorite wig companies to work with because I bought their wigs on multiple occasions. And also, the wig that I wear the most every single day is actually a longer version to this exact one. I'm gonna show you. Hold on. It kind of looks a little bit crazy right now, but this is the wig that I wear almost every single day. It's literally the same exact one like this one, but this one is just shorter and this one is longer. So yeah. Okay, this is how the hair is looking after it's been detangled. So all I go ahead and do is put some leave-in conditioner. I've been using this recently in my natural hair and I love it. This is the Emerge leave-in conditioner. Did I say deep conditioner? I meant leave-in conditioner. You put one pump because you don't want to put too much. I put it especially in the front because I realized the front dries quicker than the back. Keep in mind this hair is really natural, so it's lightweight. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush that in. Just go ahead and brush that in. I do want to give this hair a little trim, but I did not bring my scissors, so oh well. Should I give it like a more bob, like right here? I'm gonna cut this a little bit more. So I section it into two parts, the back and the front. So this is the back, this is the front. I'm just going to brush this down and I'm gonna cut it to match right here. I'm going to cut the rest of it to match. Okay, I'm gonna cut the other side. I think this is good enough for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and start adding in the gel. I'm gonna add in this gel, about this much. And I like to start from the top of my head. Okay. And what this is gonna do, it's going to hold the hair so that when it dries, it does not poof up. Especially the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush this through. And it should give it like a curl at the end. So this is how it's looking. I think I like the short look